Do you want to become a profitable trader? Hi, I'm CA Rudramurthy, author, trader, and trainer. Welcome you to Easy Money Show. SGX Nifty today indicating a gap down open of 60 points. But let me tell you, from last week, especially for last 2-3 trading sessions, I'm continuously telling this market is exhibiting clear signs of distribution. Let me tell you, bank nifty underperforming nifty, also cat and dog shares moving up without any fundamental backup tells me we have run too much ahead of the reality. But let me tell you, even in today's market, we still have great stocks to pick. But gone are those times where you buy anything and you will make money. Important information in today's session you have to watch is this week over 9,000 crore money is getting raised by 4 IPOs, and let me tell you, these are all clear indications of market highly overheated. I'm not saying market will now collapse, Nifty will come below 7,500, Sensex will come to 10,000. No, I'm only trying to tell we have gone too much ahead, and this liquidity driven rally, which stayed for such a long time, and I was never ever saying for any cause of profit booking till now. But right now, let me tell you, after seeing the inflation data which came last week in US, which is at 5%, and core inflation coming at 3.8%, all this signals to me that yes, this week the Fed meet plays a very crucial role. And what is the comment of Fed, and what will it say for the next things to come on, is what I want to very closely watch. And let me tell you, interest rates are going up very slowly, or it is actually stagnated, whereas inflation is rising like anything. This big difference cannot sustain for long, and one has to be very, very cautious. And that is a primary reason why last 2-3 sessions I have not been giving you any trading calls, and I'm telling you, this is time to move from quantity to quality. This is time to move from lower quality and momentum stocks to higher quality and value stocks. And if you are unable to find good ideas, the best thing to do is sit with some amount of cash in your portfolio, so that market provides you good opportunity to buy at better levels. Also, let me tell you, it depends on which stocks are you holding and sitting tight. If they are into quality, even a mild correction, slight correction will have no big impact if you are in the right stocks. Also, let me tell you, people who are highly leveraged, this is the time to cut down your leverage and move from leverage to cash and wait out, because we are very close to the party ending. And if the music stops, people will sell in a hurry, and at that point of time, if you want an exit, it is not easy to get, especially in mid and small cap, and especially in stocks which are illiquid. So I'm again throwing this caution statement that sell when you can and not when you want. Let me also give you today's important result announcements will be there from Coal India, IDFC, Indian Overseas Bank, Greenply, and few other companies. And today, I want to just share with you guys this important tweet. And let me tell you, if you see this on your screen, the tweet is written by Sucheta Dalal. So, Sucheta Dalal, who is she? In fact, I had the great opportunity and privilege to meet Sucheta Dalal madam in Mumbai, but that was 10 years back. And the book Scam was already there at that point of time. But then the movie Harshad Mehta, the series, whatever you saw, that was not available. But then this book became more popular after the Harshad Mehta series was done. And let me tell you, the lady who unearthed the scam of the Harshad Mehta was Sucheta Dalal, who was working at that point of time with the Times Group. And let me just show one of the tweets what she has written recently, which is running everywhere in WhatsApp groups, Telegram groups, and it has become very famous. And also one of her books, The Absolute Power, is a great read now after the book Scam. Now she says, and I quote Sucheta Dalal, Another scandal hard to prove outside the black box of information available with SEBI tracking systems is the return of an operator of the past who is relentlessly rigging prices of one group all through foreign entities. His specialty and that of a former FM, nothing changes. And this is what Sucheta Dalal is referring. And I want you to see the date of this tweet. This tweet came at 10:26 a.m. and it was June 12th. June 12th is the date when Sucheta Dalal has given you this particular tweet, and I'm sure you understand indirectly what is she referring to. But keep aside what she might be indirectly referring to. I want to show another tweet for you, and Sucheta's tweet came on June 12th, and I want you to see when this tweet came, and that is there again on your screen. So if you just see this, I wrote this not on June 12th but on June 11th, one day before. I wrote this tweet where I said, beware of Adani Group stocks, party getting over and retail will get stuck. And I've just quoted Rudralogy. This was written on June 11th, one day before, and it was at 10:18 a.m. when during live market hours I gave this quote. I'm sure just this one line, beware of Adani Group stocks, party getting over and retail will get stuck. This statement, if someone can understand and take action, that is where your hard earned money gets saved. And also, I wrote another tweet on June 11th itself, the same date. And if you see the time, it is 10:30 a.m., where I told, move from Adani to Tata Group stocks. Move from momentum to value. I'm not calling for a big collapse, but just giving caution to shift to quality at current levels. No doubt, last 1 year, Adani Group have given stellar return, but from now on at current market price, the shift is advisable. I'm sure you understand these few lines and strong lines make so much of sense, especially to retail traders, and taking the right decision with the right choice at the right time is what separates an ordinary from extraordinary. Thank you so much for watching this program. And there were a lot of requests from people who missed seminar yesterday on stock trading for financial freedom, and that I had given to only 500 people, and then we extended it to 1,000 people. And before 11 o'clock, 1,000 people were already full, and there were thousands of people waiting to gain access to stock trading for financial freedom, a webinar online live which I made. And for the request of so many people, I'm planning to do another one this week. I'll be putting that information to you guys in my Twitter handle. I am Rudramurthy, and just wait out for this week. Let me put the tweet for you guys, and someone who could not attend the stock trading for financial freedom webinar which I did yesterday, you have another opportunity to attend this week, but do ensure you log in at least 1 hour before the program schedule so that you are sure of your seat and you are within those 1,000 participants. Wishing you all the best, and just watch these videos again and again so that you gain more knowledge, make a lot of notes and learn. Also, I'm sure last week weekend special videos which I updated on profitable option series. If you just go to my playlist and click profitable option series, there you will see option Greeks which I just explained last week. I've just completed delta, remaining option Greeks like theta, gamma, vega, rho, all these things, with also a lot of options strategies. I'll be coming out with those videos very soon, so click right now the bell icon so that you get notification immediately when we upload videos like this. And also subscribe to your channel Rudralogy. Do forward this to as many people as possible and join hands with me to spread right financial literacy. Thank you so much for watching. Kind of you. Take care. Have a profitable day. Thank you.